In a sparkling forest by a bubbling river, Benny the Beaver wakes to find his favorite wooden bridge has broken. Determined to fix it, he gathers sticks, twigs, and magical glowing stones from the forest. Along the way, Benny meets playful firefly fairies, a wise old turtle with a treasure map, and a mischievous raccoon who loves riddles. Together, they journey through whispering trees, over sparkling streams, and into secret grottos to find the perfect materials. With teamwork, laughter, and clever tricks, Benny rebuilds the bridge stronger than ever. In the end, the bridge shines under a rainbow sky, and Benny learns that friendship and creativity can fix anything, even the trickiest problems.